What's the meaning of branding? Branding. Branding.
Branding. Branding. Branding refers to the process of creating a unique image and identity for a product, service, or company. This involves developing a distinct name, logo, design, and overall personality that sets the entity apart from its competitors. The result of effective branding is increased brand awareness, customer loyalty, and a strong reputation in the market. Strong brands are recognized by customers through their visual identity, messaging, and overall experience. A well-crafted brand can also lead to increased sales and profitability over time. Ultimately, branding is about creating a lasting impression on the minds of consumers that sets one's product or service apart from others.